In this feature we will look at cavity wall insulation. Here we are drilling out a new build house in preparation to install cavity wall insulation. Where possible, all newly built homes will be drilled from inside. The drilling pattern as shown will mean a perfect fill of insulation throughout the cavity walls of the house. Here's how the pressure is regulated and the bead lines carry the material to the wall itself. Once the air line is turned on, the glue line is turned on to follow. This bonds the bead in the cavity and will take 1 or 2 days to cure. As you can see, the bead is already bonding within the cavity. This is an existing house which will be topped up with insulation. The typical U value for a cavity wall of this style house would be 0.51 watts per meter squared Kelvin. The drilling pattern is the same as we will see in the new build section. The holes will be drilled externally on any existing homes. Holes are drilled under the lintels to ensure a full fill. After the walls have been pumped with EnviroBead Plus, the U value will fall to 0.31 watts per meter squared Kelvin. In this shot we can see the bead hose, the larger hose, the air hose coming directly into the gun, and the glue line coming down from above. This sprays a light coating of adhesive over the bead as it enters the cavity. A typical semi-detached house will take between 2 and 3 hours to complete. Here is a stone finish, an example of how the wall will turn out. Here we have a standard painted plaster finish. And here we have a dry dash finish. Again, the hole is very difficult to make out. With the red brick house, we use a smaller drill bit. This shows up less damage on the brick itself. This finish is unpainted plaster. Should you have any further queries with regard to cavity wall insulation, please contact McHugh Insulation 022 22 102.